So we're gonna go ahead and add that grit now. It's supposed to also be helpful with regard to the reproduction, but just gonna sprinkle that. This is crushed eggshell. I put it through a little grinder. So just gonna sprinkle that on the surface there. All right, lots of good eggshell. So go ahead and close that up. Again, the worms seem to be doing great. They seem to be interested in the food, which is awesome. And the food doesn't seem to be sticking around too long, so might be able to feed them a little bit more frequently than I was thinking. I was actually just listening to a video of someone talking about the importance of starting out with a bedding that has good microbial activity. And I think that the leaf litter really did that, so I'm really happy with that. So I'll see you guys in the next one.